Welcome. In front of me is a BLUBOO Xtouch, and I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So the quick way to do it is just hold your finger on the display and you'll get this little icon on the bottom saying wallpapers. Just tap on it and then you get to choose where you want to change the wallpaper, home screen, lock screen, or both of them. I'm just gonna choose the home screen. And then you get the stock images you can choose from, or you can also pick from images, but I don't think there is any. There's only like one picture of something. So I'm just gonna stick with, say, a black hole one. And it's a live wallpaper, as you can see. I'm gonna tap on set wallpaper and that's it. Now it's changed. Really simple. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.